welcome back to English Cast Duo. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to tell you a story.
Yes, this is a story about money, honesty, and a big surprise.
Do you think money makes people happy, Alex?
That is a difficult question. Sometimes money solves problems, but sometimes it creates new problems.
Exactly. In today's story, a poor man finds a bag of gold. What do you think he does with it? Does he keep it, or does he return it?
Let's listen to the story of the honest man and the greedy merchant. Listen carefully, and at the end, we will practice speaking together.
Once upon a time, there was a man named Samuel. Samuel was very poor.
He lived in a small house. He worked very hard every day, but he did not have much money.
But Samuel was a happy man. He was kind to his neighbors, and he always told the truth. He was an honest man.
One day, Samuel was walking home from work. He was walking on a dusty road. Suddenly, he saw something on the ground.
It was a small leather bag. Samuel picked it up. It was heavy.
He opened the bag, and he was shocked. Inside the bag, there were 100 gold coins.
Wow, 100 gold coins. That is a lot of money. Samuel was rich.
He could buy a new house. He could buy new clothes. He could buy delicious food.
But Samuel did not smile. He looked worried. He said to himself, "This is not my money. Someone lost this bag. Someone is very sad right now."
So Samuel did not go home. Instead, he walked to the town square. He shouted, "I found a bag of gold. Who lost a bag of gold?"
A tall man ran to Samuel. This man was a merchant. He was very rich, but he was also very greedy.
Greedy means he wanted more and more money. He never had enough.
The merchant said, "That is my bag. Give it to me."
Samuel gave the bag to the merchant. "Here you go," Samuel said. "Please count the money."
The merchant counted the gold coins. 1, 2, 3, up to 100. The merchant smiled. He had all his money back.
But the merchant was a bad man. He did not want to say, "Thank you." He wanted to trick Samuel.
The merchant shouted, "Wait! There were 110 coins in this bag. You stole 10 coins. You are a thief."
Samuel was shocked. "No, I am honest. I did not take any money."
"You are a liar," said the merchant. "We must go to the judge."
They went to the judge. The judge was a very wise old man. He listened to the merchant.
The merchant said, "My bag had 110 coins. This man gave me a bag with only 100 coins. He stole 10 coins."
Then the judge looked at Samuel. "Did you take the money?"
"No, sir," said Samuel. "I only opened the bag to see what was inside."
The judge looked at the merchant again. He knew the merchant was lying. He knew the merchant was greedy.
The judge smiled. He said, "I have a solution."
The judge held up the bag. He said, "Merchant, you lost a bag with 110 coins, correct?"
"Yes," said the merchant.
"Well," said the judge, "this bag only has 100 coins. So, this cannot be your bag."
The merchant's face turned red. "What? No, it is my bag."
"No," said the judge. "You are looking for a bag with 110 coins. This bag belongs to someone else. Until that person comes, Samuel can keep it."
The merchant cried. He lost everything because he lied. But Samuel, the honest man, went home with 100 gold coins.
What a great story. Honesty is the best policy.
Yes. Let's look at 3 important words from the story.
Word number 1, honest.
Honest means you tell the truth. You do not steal. Samuel was honest.
Word number 2, greedy.
Greedy means you want everything for yourself. You do not want to share. The merchant was greedy.
Word number 3, wise.
Wise means you are smart and you understand people. The judge was wise.
Okay, now it is time for shadowing practice.
Listen to the sentence and repeat it after us. Speak out loud.
Sentence 1, I found a bag of gold on the road.
Again, I found a bag of gold on the road.
Sentence 2, I am honest. I did not take the money.
Again, I am honest. I did not take the money.
Sentence 3. Tell the truth and good things will happen.
One more time. Tell the truth and good things will happen.
Great job today. Did you like the story of Samuel?
Let us know in the comments. What would you do if you found a bag of gold?
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.
Bye, everyone!